You need to watch this if you struggle with open communication in your relationship. The foundation of intimacy is open communication. It's the bedrock upon which trust and connection are built. When partners communicate openly, they create a bond that is resilient and enduring. This bond allows them to navigate the complexities of their relationship with greater ease and understanding. Intimacy thrives on open and honest communication. It's not just about talking, but about truly sharing and listening. When both partners feel heard and understood, their emotional connection deepens. This deep connection fosters a sense of security and belonging, which is essential for a healthy relationship. This means creating a safe space for both partners to express their desires, needs, and boundaries. It's about being vulnerable and trusting that your partner will respect and honor your feelings. This safe space encourages honesty and openness, which are crucial for building a strong and lasting bond. Talking about sex can be challenging, but it's crucial for a fulfilling, intimate life. Open discussions about sexual desires and boundaries can prevent misunderstandings and foster a deeper connection. It's important to approach these conversations with sensitivity and respect, ensuring that both partners feel comfortable and valued. Start by sharing what feels comfortable and gradually explore more sensitive topics. Building trust takes time, and it's important to be patient with each other. As you become more comfortable, you can delve into deeper and more personal subjects, strengthening your bond even further. Active listening is as vital as expressing oneself. It's not just about hearing the words, but understanding the emotions and intentions behind them. By truly listening, you show your partner that you care about their feelings and perspectives, which can significantly enhance your connection. Pay attention to your partner's verbal and nonverbal cues. Body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice can all convey important information. By being attuned to these cues, you can better understand your partner's needs and respond with empathy and support. Remember, intimacy is a two-way street built on mutual understanding and respect. It's about giving and receiving, sharing and listening. By fostering open communication, you can create a relationship that is rich, fulfilling, and deeply connected. Learn the best techniques for intimate connection. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Beyond the physical, intimacy is about emotional closeness. Intimacy extends far beyond physical touch. It's about fostering a deep emotional connection with your partner. Sharing vulnerabilities, dreams, and fears strengthens the bond. Make time for meaningful conversations and shared experiences. Small gestures of affection like a loving glance or a heartfelt compliment can be incredibly intimate. Cultivating emotional intimacy creates a foundation of trust and security, enriching all aspects of the relationship. The power of touch is essential in exploring different forms of physical intimacy. It is a fundamental way to connect with your partner on a deeper level. Touch can convey emotions that words sometimes cannot express, creating a bond that is both physical and emotional. Physical touch is a powerful way to express love and desire. It can be as simple as a gentle caress, or as profound as a warm embrace. These gestures help to build trust and intimacy, making your relationship stronger and more resilient. It's not just about sexual acts but encompasses a wide range of affectionate gestures. From a soft touch on the arm to a loving hug, these small acts of physical intimacy can make a big difference in how connected you feel to your partner. Holding hands, cuddling, and simply being close to one another can create a sense of security and warmth. These moments of closeness are essential for maintaining a healthy and loving relationship. Kissing is another form of physical intimacy that deepens connection. Whether it's a gentle peck on the cheek or a passionate kiss, this act can convey love, desire, and affection in a way that words often cannot. Explore different types of touch to discover what feels pleasurable for both partners. This exploration can be a fun and exciting way to learn more about each other's preferences and boundaries. Pay attention to your partner's responses and adjust your approach accordingly. Communication is key in any relationship, and physical touch is no different. Being attentive and responsive to your partner's needs can enhance your intimacy. Remember, intimacy is about mutual enjoyment and exploration. It's a journey that both partners embark on together, discovering new ways to connect and deepen their bond. Enjoy the process and cherish the moments of closeness you share. Section 4. Setting the stage. The importance of foreplay and sensual connection. Foreplay is not just a prelude to sex but an integral part of the intimate experience. It sets the tone for what is to come and helps both partners feel more connected and in tune with each other. By taking the time to engage in foreplay, you are telling your partner that you value their pleasure and emotional well-being. It's about building anticipation, arousal, and emotional connection. The slow build-up can make the eventual physical connection even more satisfying. Foreplay allows you to explore each other's bodies and discover what brings the most pleasure. This exploration can lead to a deeper understanding of each other's desires and boundaries. Engage all the senses, sight, sound, touch, taste, and smell, to create a sensual atmosphere. Light some candles, play soft music, and use scented oils or lotions. Feed each other delicious fruits or chocolates. These small gestures can make a big difference in setting the mood and making the experience more immersive. Experiment with different forms of foreplay, such as massage, playful teasing, and sensual words. A gentle massage can help relax your partner and make them more receptive to further touch. Playful teasing can build excitement and anticipation. Whispering sweet or naughty things can heighten the emotional and physical connection. The key is to take your time, savor the moment, and deepen the connection before moving to more explicitly sexual activities. Don't rush through foreplay, instead see it as an essential part of the entire experience. By doing so, you can create a more fulfilling and intimate connection with your partner, making the entire experience more enjoyable for both of you. Section 5. Pleasure as a shared journey. Prioritizing mutual consent and desire. In any intimate encounter, consent is paramount. It should be enthusiastic, freely given, and ongoing throughout the experience. Check in with your partner regularly to ensure they feel comfortable and respected. Pay attention to both verbal and nonverbal cues. Remember that desire can fluctuate, and it's okay for either partner to change their mind at any point. Prioritizing consent and mutual desire creates a safe and enjoyable experience for both partners. Section 6. Nurturing the bond. Intimacy as an ongoing practice. Intimacy is not a destination but a journey. It requires ongoing effort, communication, and a willingness to grow together. Make time for intimacy, even amidst busy schedules. Plan romantic dates, surprise each other with gestures of affection, and keep the spark alive. Don't be afraid to try new things and step outside your comfort zones together. Nurturing intimacy is an investment in the long-term health and happiness of your relationship. Section 7. Seeking guidance resources for sexual health and relationship support. If you're seeking to enhance intimacy in your relationship, there are numerous resources available to provide guidance and support. Books, websites, and workshops can offer valuable information about sexual health, communication techniques, and relationship skills. Therapists specializing in sex and relationships can provide a safe and confidential space to address specific concerns. Remember, seeking help is a sign of strength and a commitment to improving your relationship. If you found this guide helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content.